What's good, guys? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we're back with another video. Make sure you subscribe to this video, but also I have another channel, so subscribe to that channel, and as well as follow me on Instagram. Instagram will be right here, popped up. Boom. Go follow, go like, go comment, go share, go support my Instagram, because that's my favorite social media, to be honest. So go show love over there on my Instagram, as well as if you're new here. Besides subscribing to my two channels, also leave a comment, because I respond to all comments as well. And for the people that continue watching me and supporting me, and I appreciate you guys always. We're about to hit 500 subs. I still don't really understand why we haven't hit 500 subs, but yeah, if you're new here, welcome to the squad. I hope you stay. As well as yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, share the video. Let's get more people to join the squad. No further ado, you see the title, you see the thumbnail, so you know what we're about to get right into. So let's get right into the video. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, another New Balance 550 review. Now this size, I don't know why I got this size, but this size is a 10.5. And if you're watching and you want a 10.5 for this colorway, hit me up. It's for sale. I will not tax you out the ass, but I still have to make profit, especially if I'm shipping it to you or maybe you're meeting up, whatever. But let me know if you need this in a 10.5. And the official colorway for this is just simply white and red of the New Balance 550. So let's get into it. Typical regular gray box. Don't really have to say much. Regular New Balance paper, of course. And then here goes the shoes. Red and white, varsity red, or cherry red, whatever red you want to call it. Here it is, 10.5, 550 New Balance. Let's close the box. Let's get that thumbnail real quick. Boom. Nice little thumbnail. Size 10.5. I do think 550s are underrated New Balance sneaker. Like I said in the previous video with the blue and white ones. I just like 550s. But for people that say, oh, if you like the shoe, why don't you buy it to wear it? Yes, I understand you. I do agree to a certain degree. No pun intended. The thing is, right now, I don't just have random money sitting around just to buy whatever shoes, because that's pointless. I don't even wear the shoes that I do want, let alone the shoes that I don't mind having. But 550s to me are ultimately a good shoe. I just feel like the girls and kids sizes are way better and cuter. If you know from OG videos, I love GS sneakers, and I feel like girls could get away with cute shoes because they're so tiny on their feet. And you know, for people that know, I got a foot fetish, but only for girls, and I think it's so cute when they wear shoes that maybe as a guy we can't get off. Like, imagine this big shoe, right? This is only a 10.5, but imagine how small and cute it would look on a girl's feet. You know what I'm saying? So I do think overall, girls that have swag and they throw this type of shoe in their arsenal. They wear this type of shoe and it looks cute on their fit. So it does do justice. Also, if you're an OG person that watch my videos, you know I always say shoes to me look better in person. And if I had money sitting around to bullshit, I would just buy shoes like this, because it does look comfortable, and I do appreciate the 550s, to be honest. You throw on some sweatpants, throw on a tee or a hoodie that matches the colorway, or maybe you like to wear retro colors and you throw on something that doesn't really have to be red, but it still looks nice. But right now I'm not in just buying random shoes. I'm being specifically stingy with my money, especially if I'm buying for personal, and I'm never trying to buy sneakers for retail or tax. I'm trying to buy it for under retail or a way to get it for a discounted price. So 10.5, red and white, New Balance 550s. If you want it, hit me up. We could talk, negotiate a price that works for me and you, and you can have the shoe. Because by the time you watching this, sometimes you go to the store, they might have a certain colorway, but not all the sizes. And slowly but surely, people do buy them for personal, or people do buy them to hold and resell. Now, I only got one color of this red in the one size, so don't hit me up thinking I got a whole bunch of sizes. I just want to buy a 10.5. That's just the size I bought. So if you wear a 10.5, hit me up. This could be yours. I don't need it. I don't want it. Strictly for review purposes as well as to resell. So look at the shoe. Nice detail with all that red in the back. Let me know if this is one of your favorite New Balances in the comments. Do you even like 550s? And if you do you like this colorway? Are there other colorways that you may like? Maybe comment below your top 3 colorways in 550s. Because I know there's way more colors than the 2 colors that I have on the review in this video. And also the last video, the blue and white. Now it's red and white. But you know, they have the gray, they have the pink, they have all types of stuff. So let me know what you guys think, your top 3 New Balance 550s, and if you even do like New Balances at all. You know, I know the new wave within the last year or two, New Balance got a new wave of hype, you know, with the collabs, also like the different versions of 550s, all that type of stuff. I mean, I know this is 550s, but you know, like different other New Balances that people have been wearing with the collabs and everything. But just getting a quick little detail, New Balance logo 550 on the tongue. You can see that, and then of course the 550 printed above the shoe, and in new white they have the New Balance right there with their logo NB. Like I said, people do want to see the shoe fully frontwards, so yes, I'll show you guys from this angle. You guys can also see the back together, as well as the inside. Outside, no difference, no magic tricks. The red inside, New Balance obviously. And overall, just a solid shoe. Like I said, I do like 550s. I think they do a pretty good job with filling the color blanks, with the back heel being all the color filled and just the front all white. I would love to see these type of shoes in black body instead of white body, and just see how it would come out, because I feel like it'll be less dirty. But who knows, people that wear New Balances, maybe they look better dirty, or you know, messed up, just like Air Forces. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Really not much to show. Just wanted to do a quick little review on this colorway, because you know, if I had the whole collection of 550s, people might be interested in certain colorways, so they want to see a review on the colorway they want to buy, right? So that's it for me. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, make sure you tap that subscribe button. It's free. Subscribe's here. Also subscribe to my other channel, as well as follow me on my Instagram. That's really it for me for this video, so I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, make sure you also follow me on Instagram. See you guys in the next video. Peace the fuck out. I don't really curse that much, but sometimes I feel like it, so sue me. Nah, I'm playing. Peace out.